Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm here to talk about the Easy Cash Code. This Easy Cash Code, here you go. This is the back office to my Easy Cash Code. And the Easy Cash Code is basically a pre-done for you all-in-one training software, online software platform to where it's sold as its own entity of for $18. And basically, it's a training slash funnel. It gives you everything that you need. I don't know how familiar you are with marketing online, but it gives you banners. It gives you all of that. So I'm finna log in and show you. Okay, as you can see, here we are in the back office, and here are some of the things that you can. First, you'll go to complete these first the different options they have in the training, and it will definitely take you through everything that you need to know. If there's more information that you're needing or anything of that nature, then, like I say, just contact me and I'll show you the best way to, you know, to utilize. Also, there's ways to uh, how can I say it, level up if you're interested in doing that. Because starting out, the $18 training is just one of the training sets that they have, and there are other training sets that gives you more options and more opportunity to make more money. So if you're interested in doing that, just let me know and we'll go from there. And like I say, it's fairly simple. Just basically, like I say, the main thing they teach you is to advertise on social media and go from there.
Feel just like a rock star.